Foreign equity, I mean. Yan. So, sabi ko nga po kanina, kung ano po yung sinelect na organization type, yun po yung mag-a-appear na requirements for that application. So, in this example, ang naselect niya po ay sole proprietorship. So, pang sole proprietorship po yung kailangan niyang i-upload na document, which is the certified true copy of the business name registration certificate. The scope of business is national, and the nature of business is construction. So dito niyo po i-upload yung documents na yan. So for the corporation or partnership naman po, ito naman po yung applicable supporting documents na kailangan nyo i-upload. So certified true copy of SEC registration and articles of partnership or incorporation and bylaws with construction contracting as one of the purposes and subsequent amendments thereto. So ito po yung mga supporting documents naman for corporation with foreign shareholders. Okay, so i-upload nyo lang po siya into one PDF file, I mean compressed nyo po siya sa isang file, and PDF file po yung kailangan natin i-upload dito. Okay. So that's the first part of the ating application, which is the contractor's general information. Okay? So pag click ko po itong submit button, ibig sabihin po niyan, saving pa lang ng inyong application. Meaning, hindi pa po yan yung kabuuan or hindi pa po fully accomplished ang inyong pong application. This is just the initial part ng inyong application. So may na-encounter po kami dati na mga nagtanong. Okay. Sir, nag-submit na po kami ng application namin. Okay? So hinahanap namin sa listahan ng submitted application, hindi naman nag-appear. Nung in-order checking po namin yung kanilang account, yung pala, contractor's general information pa lang po yung nasubmit. May mga hindi pa po na-accomplish na requirements. So, ulitin ko lang po na itong submit button ay saving pa lang ng inyong draft application. So, hindi pa po yun yung full submission ng inyong application. Okay. So, pag na-click ko yung submit button, ayan po yung mag-a-appear sa inyong dashboard. So, nandyan po yung na-create nyo pong application. Okay? So, pag click nyo po yung submit button, lalabas po din yung mga other requirements na kailangan nyo i-accomplish. So, yan. Ito po yung ating progress page ng inyong application. Okay? So, nabanggit ko kanina na kapag na-accomplish niyo yung first part, ito na po siya, yung ating contractor's general information, at pag na-click yung submit button or yung